and two teenagers, and I work full-time as a dental assistant, and on top of that I've got two part-time jobs as well. So for me, the big thing was just I felt as I was getting older and, thinking more about retirement, the big thing was just finding something that would sustain us, say, and hopefully allow us to retire a little sooner. For both of us, I feel like we're both working more hours now instead of gearing down or winding down to that mode of, getting closer to retirement. We just seem to be working more. And so I just decided that, there's got to be something out there, or at least something that maybe we can do that will allow us to have at least some more time and maybe build something up for the future, and not for us, but just for us, but for our kids too. And with them both being in high school, they'll be in university or college soon, and we have to think about, what are we going to do there? So. And then when I started looking around, I found an ad online, and I signed up for the webinar, and I pretty much at that point said, this is it. My gut just told me this is really what I've been looking for. And so I joined, and I haven't looked back since. I'm still working full time, so I'm doing it on a part-time basis. So I probably spend a couple hours a day. It varies. I spend time whenever I have. And in fact, I look forward to spending time on it. I wish I could be doing it full-time, but that is the goal, is to be doing this full-time down the road, and hopefully having more time to spend on it. And it's something that I can also leave for my children too. It's a legacy for them. So for me, it's been an amazing opportunity. And I think of all the wonderful people that I've met through this business that I probably would not have come across, or, we would not have crossed paths if it wasn't for this business. And I think, it's such a global thing. You can talk to people that are from, England, it's United States, everywhere. So it's been really a blessing, and I'm very grateful to have found this business, and especially with the way things are now in the situation that we're in. A lot of people are being laid off, and I'm just really thankful that I have that extra income to sustain me. So, and it's really easy to follow the training. It took me a couple weeks to get through the training. Probably took a few months, not long, but to start seeing some results with it. And it's just slowly been growing from there. So I'm just, again, very thankful. So if anybody has the opportunity to take the opportunity, I say do it. You've got really nothing to lose here. It's a wonderful opportunity. So